Qoobo Robot Pillow, a tailed cushion that heals your heart. Qoobo is a therapeutic robot in the form of a cushion with a tail. When caressed, it waves gently. When rocked, it swings playfully. And it occasionally wags just to say hello. It's comforting communication that warms your heart the way animals do. Begin your tail therapy today and wrap yourself with fuzzy love. Tokyo-based robotic startup Yukai Engineering also joined in with the pet trend this year with its Petit, a headless robotic kitten that doubles up as a tail-wagging therapeutic pillow. The robot is designed for people who want to own a pet but can't due to allergies, their profession, or living situation. A more compact version of the brand's Qoobo robot, the Petit Qoobo spontaneously moves its tail and vibrates in reaction to its surroundings.
This is Qoobo. It's a robot with a tail that heals your heart. It wags its tail differently depending on how you stroke it. It has the healing powers of pet animals.